is this Amala Purana, spotless Purana, spotless Pramana, Amala Pramana, also spotless. So, Vaishnavana, this is very dear, this is Vaishnava. तत्र ज्ञान विराग भक्ति सहित नैष्कर्म्यमाविष्कृतम तत्सुनंतु तरुधारण करो भक्त्याभिमुच्य नरो. In this Bhagavad Mahapurana, Amara Purana, spotless Purana, this frame of Bhakti Tattva has been said, Naiskarma Jnana has been discovered by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, studying Srimad Bhagavatam, deliberating on its teachings and conclusions from, one can very slowly develop your bhakti as regard who is free from the clutches of Maya and gets Krishna. You go back to that verse. Arthayam Brahma Sutrana and Bharataksharimaya Gayatri Bhaskarutam Sudi, that's so very good. In Srimad Bhagavata, this is Brahmasutra Bhashya, natural commentary on Brahma Sutra, and unique Mahabharata, short parts of Mahabharata is also described, is also commentary on Gayatri Bhashya, and all essence of all the Vedas has been given here. এই সূত্রকর্তা সে যদি করে দেখেন তবে সূত্রের মূল অর্থ লোকে হয় জ্ঞান. Vyasdev is the compiler of Vedanta Sutra, Brahma Sutra, and he has given this commentary, natural commentary on Vedanta Sutra, this is Srimad. Madhadis, they don't accept it. They have their commentary compiled by the Patanda of Mayadav philosophy, Shankaracharya. It is an imagination commentary known as Advaita Bhashya. Mahaprabhu says, Mayadadi Bhashya Sunile Hoisabhana. Don't go to Mayadadi. Don't listen to their commentaries. Your Bhakti-Bhuti will come to listen to it. So, Jaya Bhagavata Padapishna Vrastani, Ekanta Asketam, Chilchim. You go and approach the Bhakta Bhagavata, Vaishnava, and hear Bhagavatam, study Bhagavatam. Completely excited. Your Bhakti. Vedanta Sarani Bhagavati Sthiti, Tatrasam Tatustasya Annastasya Vesitati. The essence of all Veda Vedanta. One who has never paid for this material knowledge, Rasamrita, emanating from Srimad Bhagavatam, will never aspire for any other Shastra. Sarai Purusartha Rakshri Bhagavate Hoy. Premarupa Bhagavata Chari Vede Hoy. Chari Veda Bhagavata Bhagavata Nagarito Matilena Sute Aila Parichita. By hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from the proper source, bona fide source, confront develop, the Purusartha Krishna said Bhakti, oh, Purusartha Krishna Goya. In the four Vedas, Chari Veda Bhagavata, Bhagavata Nagarito, Matilena Sute Aila Parichita. Four Vedas are Bhagavad, understand Bhagavad, Yoga. If you shouldn't be Bhagavad, then that won't come out. So, the four Vedas are Bhagavad, Yoga, and Bhagavata is Bhagavad. Sukadeva Goswami says that Yoga is Bhagavad. Came out, Aila Parichita and Parichita have everything. Krishna Tulla Bhagavata Vidu Sarvasva, Pati Shukti, Pati Uchiri, Nana. Is as good as Krishna. Yes, Krishna is Viva, Supreme Lord, Supreme Lord, Bhagavata is absolute Supreme Lord. As we take shelter of Krishna, we have to take shelter of Bhagavatam. In every verse, in every word, in every letter, many meanings are there. Bhagavata Shastra says, Bhakti Tattva Koy. यही भागवत समय कौन शास्त्र है? प्रेम भक्ति तब तक विषय दिया श्रीमद् भागवत दर्शन नो शास्त्र हो भागवतम जैन रूप मत्स्य कर्म आदि अवतार आदिभाव तिरोभाव जीव का स्वभाव यही मत भागवत का कीर्तन आदि Adhibhag Sriman Apni hai. Chaitanya Bhagavata, Vrindavan Das Thakur says, Allah Hari has innumerable incarnations, like Matsya Avatar, Kurma Avatar, etc. And as the avatars, incarnations of Lord Hari appear and disappear. Similarly, Srimad Bhagavatam appears and disappears. It is not written by anybody. Dark written or Adhibhag Sriman Apni hai. Bhagavata is not written by anybody. It is an incarnation of the Lord. As your incarnations appear and disappear, similarly, Bhagavata appears and disappears. It is not written by anybody. Chaitanya Bhagavata, Vrindavan Das Thakur says, that we find here is written by Deva Vyas, Krishna Vaipaya Vyasa. Read it. Written by Krishna Vaipaya Vyasa. Srimad Bhagavatam of Krishna Vaipaya by Krishna Vaipaya Vyasa. How can I account for it? Vrindavan Das Thakur says it is not written by anybody. It appears and disappears. As other incarnations of Chaturma incarnations appear and disappear. How can I account for it? You understand? This is Tattva Vichara. Generally, people will be confused. What is that? It's written by Krishna Vaipaya Vyasa. It's written here. Krishna Vaipaya Vyasa. How is it that Vrindavan Das Thakur says it's not written by anybody? It appears and disappears, but other incarnations appear and disappear. Now how to account for it? Yes. Yes. Huh? Yes. That means Madhuni is very instructed and Gas writes. So it's written by that. Huh? How to say? Why does Vrindavan Das Thakur say not written by anybody? It appears and disappears as other incarnations of Chaturma avatars appear and disappear. So, yes. When Krishna, Supreme Lord, incarnation appears, they accept for one another. Similarly, Bhagavata appears accepting Vyasdeva as father and mother. It is not strong, you understand? That is what it says. Krishna Tulla Bhagavata Vihu Sarvasva Kati Shloki Pati Anapsato Bhagavata Jana Mani Satsi Javanasana Satsi Janmi Janmi Sarvajana. Doesn't accept Bhagavata, Miraksantava, is to be punished by Janara, life to life. We accept Bhagavata, we take center of Bhagavata, not passive listening. Rather, it should be assimilated, cultivated in the life, not passive listening. Nantara Bhagavatam ki jai. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Chapter 26. Text 61. Manastandramadato buddhir girampati ankarastato rudras jitum saityastato avat Manastandramadato buddhir girampati ankarastato rudras jitum saityastato avat. Translation by Sri Prabhupada. After the mind, the moon appears. Intelligence appears next. And after intelligence, Lord Brahma appears. Then the false ego appears. And then Lord Shiva. And after the appearance of Lord Shiva came consciousness. And the deity presiding over consciousness. purport by Srila Prabhupada. The moon appeared after the appearance of mind, and this indicates that the moon is the presiding deity of mind. Similarly, Lord Brahma appearing after intelligence is the presiding deity of intelligence, and Lord Shiva, who appears after false ego, is the presiding deity of false ego. In other words, it is indicated that the moon god is in the mode of goodness, whereas Lord Brahma is in the mode of passion, and Lord Shiva is in the mode of ignorance. The appearance of consciousness after the appearance of false ego indicates that from the beginning material consciousness is under the mode of ignorance, and that one therefore has to purify himself by purifying his consciousness. This purification process is called Krishna consciousness. As soon as the consciousness is purified, the false ego disappears. Identification of the body with the self is called false identification or false ego. Lord Chaitanya confirms this in his Sikhastaka. He states that first result, chanting Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, is the dart is cleared from the consciousness of the mirror of the mind. And then at once, the blazing fire of material existence is over. The blazing fire of material existence is due to false ego. But as soon as the false ego is removed, one can understand his real identity. At that point, he is actually liberated from the clutches of Maya. As soon as one is freed from the clutches of false ego, his intelligence also becomes purified. Then his mind is always engaged upon the lotus feet of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Supreme Personality of Godhead appeared on the full moon day as Gaura Sundara, or the spotless transcendental moon. Material moon has spots on it, but on the transcendental moon, Gaura Chandra, there are no spots. In order to fix the purified mind in the service of Supreme Lord, one has to worship the spotless moon Gaura Chandra. Those who are materially passionate, or those who want to exhibit their intelligence for material advancement in life, are generally worshippers of Lord Brahma, and persons who are in the gross ignorance of identifying with the body worship Lord Shiva. Materialists like Hiranyakashipu and Ravana are worshippers of Lord Brahma or Shiva, Lord Shiva. But Prahlad and other devotees in the service of Krishna consciousness worship the Supreme Lord, the personality of Godhead. So, here it is said that the moon appeared after the appearance of mind, and this indicates that the moon is the presiding deity of mind. The mind is most important. Mind is the chief of the all senses. Indriyabhu manaschasmi param manaha. Indriyabhu param manaha. Isn't it? Indriyanam manaschasmi. Krishna says, I am mana and mind about Indriya senses. And mind is known as chief of the senses, and there is the 11th sense. 10 karmendriyas, and said 5 karmendriyas and 5 jnanendriyas. Knowledge acquiring senses are 5, and working senses are 5. And mind is above that, it is 11th, ekadasa indriya. 11th sense and chief of the all senses. Indriyabhyo param manaha. Mana, para buddhi, the buddhi to paratasaha. In Bhagavad Gita it says. Mind is superior to all indriyas, and intelligence is superior to the mind, and your soul is superior to the intelligence. Then mind is subordinate to you, the soul. That mind should be servant, not master. You understand? Therefore, in Bhagavad Gita and also in Srimad Bhagavatam, many places you find this. This has been advised that control the mind. Isn't it? Krishna says, therefore, first, manmananto, fix your mind at my substitute. Or in me, keep me in your mind. isn't it? Because mind is most important factor. Mind is known as Chetana Bhasa. Do you understand? The Abhasa of Chetana, consciousness, Chetana is consciousness. That mind is most important factor. And when you speak of yoga means, what do you say, add, addition, or fixing. You understand? Unite. If the lotus is the Krishna, then you unite yourself to your mind. Therefore, we say, Manmanadhava. Mind will be united, mind will be fixed. Keep me, Krishna says, in your mind. You understand? Only think of me, drive of all of us. That is the perfection of our life. Mind will be fixed. How the mind will be fixed? Mind is stupid, stubborn, disobedient. Mind is stupid, stubborn, disobedient. Dushta mano, we say dushta mano, stupid mind. Pagal mano, mad mind. Yes. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says in Gopinath poem, he has written, Gopinath, mano je pagal moro namane sasana. Mano je pagal moro namane sasana. Oh Gopinath, my mind is pagal, is mad. I try my best to exercise control over it, but I am defeated. Haroge Meneciani. He admitted his defeat. Bhaktivinoda Thakur admitted his defeat. Mind is so stubborn, so disobedient, so fickle. Chanchalahi mana Krishna, Pramati balavata dudam, tasyam nigrahamani, vayuriva suduskaram. Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter. Krishna says this. When Krishna speaks about mind control, Arjuna, such a great warrior, says impossible, quite impossible. Sanchalahi mana Krishna pramati varavadduram tasyahani grahmani vayuriva suduskaram. It's so fickle, very fickle. You understand? Yes. It's more fickle than the movement of the, sound, the movement of the light. Mind is so fickle and runs so speedy. Yes. More fickle. His movement is more speedy, you understand, than the movement of the alok, light and sound. Yes. So fickle mind. How can it control? You understand? Chanchalahi mana Krishna pramati varavadduram. Very strong, disobedient, stubborn. Stupid mind. If someone will try to check the blowing of a violent wind to the fist, it was impossible to control this fickle mind. Yes, that's true. How to be controlled? How to fix that lotus feet of Krishna? What to be done? And this should be done. It must be done. Otherwise, you cannot develop this concept. Purified, the mind cannot be purified. Mind cannot be fixed. Pritinma gavam mai vasudeve namuchyate dehajogena tavam. Bhagavad Gita. Krishna is the only object of love. Pritir vastu. You follow my language. Krishna is Pritir vastu. When you speak of Priti, do you understand my language? Priti means love. There are two sides. Isn't it? It's not one-sided. Priti, when you speak of Priti, love, it is not one-sided. It has two sides, isn't it? What is that? Pritir Visa, Pritir Asa. Follow my language. Very difficult to understand, I think so. Pritir Visa, Pritir Asa. The object of love and subject of love. Two sides are there, isn't it? It is reciprocal. It is reciprocal. It's not one-sided. You understand? Pritir Visa, Pritir Asa. The object of love and subject of love. The object of love is Krishna. Object of love is Krishna, nothing else. But Krishna is the object of love. That's Krishna says, Manmana Bhava. Keep me in your mind. Always keep me in your mind. Only thought of Krishna every day in the mind. Mind's activity, what is the activity of the mind? What is that activity? Acceptance, rejection, sankalpa, vikalpa. Willing, feeling, desiring is the activity of the mind. You understand? Dharma of the mind. You understand? So, it accepts something and rejects it. And willing, feeling, desiring. So, Krishna is the object of love. The mind, Krishna should be put in the mind. You understand? Only Krishna is the object of love, therefore Krishna should be put. Therefore Krishna says, Manmana Bhava. Think of me. Put me in your mind, no other thought. Mind thinks that object or that person whom it likes. Whom it likes. To whom it has developed some love and affection. Yes. Our stupid mind is not thinking of Krishna. Is it thinking of Krishna? Because we have not developed love for Krishna. We have developed love for what? Sutamita Ramanira Chinta. Isn't it? Sutamita Ramanira Chinta. We have developed some love for our affection for our wife, for our son, daughter, friends, so-called friends. Mito. Isn't it? We have not developed love and affection for Krishna. How can the stupid mind think of Krishna? Then how the stupid mind can be fixed? Fickle mind can be fixed. You understand? Only it is fixed as lotus feet of Krishna. It cannot fix any other object. A temporary something. You understand? Never thinking, as you say, Sudhamita Ramanira Chinta, the thought of the wife, son, and daughter. That's so-called friend. But this is temporary. Your relationship, this bodily relationship is temporary relationship, isn't it? Material relationship means temporary relationship. Your world is temporary. Adjantavampa. All our arrangements are here temporary. No. We have perfect, eternal, loving relationship with Krishna. It's eternal relationship, loving relationship. You understand? Therefore, Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Kirtaniya Sada Hari. Why this way? Only Hari should be chanted. Day and night, 24 hours. That is Manmana Bhava. Thinking of Krishna. Always. Ahornisha Chinta Krishna Bala Bhavani. Ki Sayoni, Ki Jagarani, Ki Bhagavani. The Mahaprabhu's instruction is same thing. Day and night, 24 hours, you think of Krishna. In all conditions. Waking condition, sleeping condition, dreaming condition, or while taking food. How will it be possible? How the stupid mind can think of Krishna unless it develops love and affection for Krishna. Because Krishna is the only object of love. You understand? Trijir Visay. Krishna is the object of love and subject of love. What is subject of love? It said lover and beloved. Isn't it? Two sides. Lover and beloved. Object and subject. And Krishna is the object of love. And all devotees, they are subject of love. Love of beloved relationship. And eternal loving relationship we have with Krishna. Unless we develop that relationship, unless otherwise, unless we develop love and affection for Krishna, the stupid man cannot think of Krishna. Krishna cannot be kept in the mind. You understand? Javanna priti mai vasudeve namuchyate dehajogena tava. As long as you have not developed love and affection for Krishna, Vasudeva Krishna, you cannot be delivered from the What is this? Bodily entanglement. You understand? They are Yogi. How? You understand? Yes. Because in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has said, Mang eva sunukta kalevaram japrayati samadbhavudati nastatra sansaya. Isn't it? Huh? There's no doubt. Mang eva sunukta kalevaram japrayati samadbhavudati nastatra sansaya. There's no doubt. At the time of quitting his body, at the time of death, if someone will think of me, he must go to me. There's no doubt in it. Undoubted. Yes. And that is the perfection of our life. That is success of our life. Ante Narayana Smriti. Isn't it? Janmalabha Parapunsam. Ante Narayana Smriti. You understand? Ante means at the time of death. When you are quitting this body, if you can think of Lord Narayana, Krishna, then it is to be understood or considered that you have achieved success in your life. Yes, perfection in your life. Otherwise, your life is not failure. Your life is a failure. It's not success. You understand? You cannot think of, how can you think of Krishna? Unless you develop love and affection for Krishna. Because it's the object of love. It's Krishna love. Therefore Krishna says, Mama Naro, think of me. And gopis are the example. Manmanaska madarthe tekta dehika. Example is given. Manmanaska. Day and night, 24 hours, gopis are thinking of Krishna. No other thought is that. It's pure love that develops. And that we should develop. Otherwise you cannot control the mind. No question. Therefore, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Mahajana says this thing. Nona je pagal moro, Gopinath, nona je pagal moro. Namani saso. I tried my best to exercise control over it, but I am defeated. I am defeated. Yes, I admit my defeat. I cannot. Tuni, Hrishikesam Hrishikotamya. Taraho Sanskriti Gori. You understand? But you are Hrishikesh, O Lord, O Gopinath, you are Hrishikesh. You are the master of the mind. So, you please take care of my mind. You understand? And deliver me from this pool of Maya. Sanskriti Gori. You understand? That is. Gopinath poem, you will find Bhaktivinoda Thakur has said. Mahabana and Arjuna, for great warrior, he said, impossible. Sanchalahi mana Krishna pramati, balabadruham tasyam nigruhamanye, vayuriva suduskara. You understand? It's very difficult. Krishna says, yes, asansayam mahabaho manam durnigraham saram, abdhasena sukaunteya, vairagyena kusmishati. Isn't it? Krishna admitted, yes. What you say, Arjuna, is undoubtedly true. His mana durnigraha taram. His mana, this mind, is very fickle, it is very difficult to control. But, way is there. What is that? Abhyasena sukaunteya. Vairagyena kukruyate. You just practice vairagya. You understand? Detachment. Attachment and detachment. You understand? Detach your mind from the materialistic thoughts, attach it to the lotus feet of Krishna. And this practice should be done under the expert guidance of a bona fide guru. You understand? Bona fide guru. Gita you find Atma eva hi Atmana bandho, Atma eva ripuratmanaham, bandhatma Atmana pasyo jeno, Atma eva Atmana jitaho, Anastana tu satrute bhattati Atma eva satruva. You understand? Nana tumi bada dushta. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Nana tumi bada dushta. Oh mind, you are very stupid, wicked mind, stupid mind. You are always thinking of this materialistic objects and enjoyment. Visho visyachohe. Visho visyachohe. You are always thinking about these things. Material enjoyment. Visho. You are not thinking of Krishna. One whose mind is not controlled, not fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna, that mind is his enemy. Isn't it? Ripuratmanaha. Ripu means enemy. Uncontrolled mind is enemy. You understand? Controlled mind is friend. Controlled mind means mind fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna. That is controlled mind. His friend. Uncontrolled mind is enemy. Atma eva atmana bandhu, atma eva ripuratmana. Bandhu means friend, ripu means enemy. Bandhu atma atmana tasya jena atma eva atmana ajita. Anatmana tu satrute bhartate atma eva satruvat. If you have not controlled your mind, then that uncontrolled mind is your enemy, you are with enemy. Always with enemy. Be with your friend. Control your mind. Fix your mind on lotus feet of Krishna. Then that mind is your friend. Be with your friend. Why are you with your enemy? You understand? Then that uncontrolled mind will create so much trouble. So much trouble. You understand? It is said, uncontrolled mind and unchaste wife are saved. Uncontrolled mind and unchaste wife are saved. You understand? They always create troubles. Nityam dadati kamasya chidrantam anuji araya yogi nakruta maitrasya patirjai bahuschari. Fifth canto, Srimad Bhagavatam says. You understand? Nityam dadati kamasya chidrantam anuji araya. Ori means enemy. Yogina kudamaitrasya patyurjaya vakunstam. Unchaste wife always thinks of her, what is that? Upapati, what is that? Paramor. You understand? Unchaste wife always thinks of paramor. Yes. So uncontrolled mind, you understand? Always thinks of, never thinks of the object of love, Krishna. It thinks of the material objects, material relationships. Do you understand? That process. Uncontrolled mind and unchaste wife are the same. The unchaste wife always thinking of her paramor. Do you understand? Never thinks of her beloved husband. Do you understand? And if husband creates any trouble, she never hesitates to stab him. Yes, stab him. Yes, kill him. Stab him. Yes. Don't just why, he said. Nityadavati kamasa chidramta anuja araya. Yogina kruta maitrasya patirjaya vakunsari. Therefore, those who are real yogis, Krishna conscious, very anxious, very eager, very serious, how to develop Krishna consciousness, how to fix mind at the lotus feet of Krishna. You understand? Control mind. They should not rely on this stupid mind. Should not put faith to rely on this stupid mind. Just to watch its activities, what this stupid mind is doing. Do you understand? Yes. It says, Satyam uttam kintu iha vayekena manasabha visrambham anavasthanasya sabhakirapaya sandakshante. Fifth canto. Bhagavatam says, Sukadeva Goswami says to Parikshit Maharaj, as a hunter, you understand? Hunter goes to the forest and catch the wild animals, you understand? And brings them and put in a, that is say, place, cage or enclosed area, very strongly enclosed area. You understand? He puts them, wild animals. The stupid mind like wild animals, wild, uncontrolled. He keeps his eye on those animals. If they get some little chance, they will jump over it, make go away. Do you understand? He never puts reliance or faith on this wild animal. Similarly, don't put faith or reliance on your stupid mind, uncontrolled mind. Just watch it, what it's thinking. You understand? And the stupid mind should be beaten. Yes, stupid, rascal mind should be beaten. Otherwise, how will be controlled? Bhakti Siddhanta, Saraswati Goswami, Prabhupada Maharaj says, as soon as you get up from your bed early in the morning, beat your stupid mind at least 100 times with your shoes, with the shoes. Do you understand? Yes, that needs beating. When you, at night, before retiring to the bed, again beat your stupid mind at least 100 times with broomstick. That means what? What is that beating? What is that beating? Chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is beating to the mind. Yes, this is beating. You understand? When your mind is very fickle, what should you do? You chant very loudly Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Then you find your mind is fixed. Yes. Chant loudly. Yes, that is beating. The beating is stupid mind. Yes. And this is, therefore it says, Chetadarpanamajanam. Mahaprabhu says, Chetadarpanamajanam bhavaha davagni nirvapanam seyya kaira vasandrika vitaranam vidyavabhu jivanam anandam buddhivardhanam pratipade purnam tasvavanam sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Then, listen. Seven, Saptajiho. Krishna Sankirtana, 7 times. Saptajiho. Isn't it? Saptajiho. 7 times. Krishna Sankirtana. First thing, Chetadarpanamajanam. Bhavamaha Davagnirvapanam. Second thing. Sreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. Third thing. Vidyavadhu Jivanam. Fourth thing. Anandam Mudhivardhanam. Fifth thing. Purnamuta Swadanam. Sixth thing. Sarvatma Sabanam. Seventh thing. Sri Krishna Sankirtana. If you will always engage in Krishna Sankirtana under the guidance of a bona fide Guru, then this 7 results you get. You understand? The mind is fixed. And chief result of this Krishna Sankirtana, chanting the holy name of the Lord, get Krishna Prema. Mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna Prema dhamma. You understand? Mukhya pathe jiva pai Krishna Prema dhamma. The chief result of chanting holy name is Krishna Prema. I say, unless you develop love for Krishna, your mind cannot be fixed at the lotus feet of Krishna. Because it only thinks the object, a person whom it likes. Yes. And Krishna is the only object of love. Develop love. How can you develop? Under the guidance of a bona fide Guru Vaishnava who has developed Krishna prema, who has developed love for Krishna, whose mind is fixed day and night, 24 hours at the lotus feet of Krishna. You understand? Who never forgets Krishna even for a moment. He is always day and night, 24 hours engaged in the loving service of Krishna. That Guru. That's our form. You understand? If you take shelter of that Guru or Sadhu, under his guidance, you chant. Do Nam Sadhana. The Nam Sadhana. You understand? Then, by his mercy, mercy of Sadhu, mercy of holy name, Nama Kripa. You understand? Nam Kripa. Mercy of the holy name, mercy of Sadhu Guru, then your stupid mind will be fixed. Develop love for Krishna. of rights. Of rights. It is not. It is not such easy to do so. In Chaitanya it is said, Brahmanda bhramite ko bhagyavano jivo. Brahmanda bhramite ko bhagyavano jivo. Giri Krishna kripa devai bhakti lata bijo. Guru Krishna kripa devai bhakti lata bijo. Mari hoya kore sei bijo aropono. Mari hoya kore sei bijo শ্রবণ কীর্তন গড়ে করো এসে চলো। শ্রবণ কীর্তন গড়ে করো এসে চলো। নিত্য সিদ্ধ কৃষ্ণ প্রেম সাধ্য প্রভু নয়। নিত্য সিদ্ধ কৃষ্ণ প্রেম সাধ্য শ্রবণাদি শুদ্ধ চিতে করো উদয়। শ্রবণাদি শুদ্ধ চিতে করো উদয়। You understand? Chaitanya Charitamrita says, ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে কোন ভাগ্যবান জীব গুরু কৃষ্ণ কৃপাতে পায় ভক্তি লতা। Wandering lakhs of Brahmandas, universes, undergoing lakhs of stages, is someone fortunate, Bhagyavan. If someone fortunate, he gets seed of Bhakti Kripa. You understand? He gets the seed of Bhakti Kripa by mercy of Guru Krishna. You understand? Guru Krishna Kripa. What is that? What is Guru Kripa? What is Krishna Kripa? How this seed is available? Seed of Bhakti Kripa. And Brahmanda Bhavite Bhagyavan Jiva, these are very significant. You understand? Guru Kripa, Krishna Kripa, and seed of Bhakti Kripa and Bhagyavan, fortunate. These are significant words. You understand? I want you to understand it very well. Bhagyavan means like Bhagyavan Jiva. Brahmanda Bhavite koon Bhagyavan Jiva. It's fortunate. What is the first thing? Oh, I made the president of the state, Australia. I am very fortunate. Did I meet it? It is not fortunate. You understand? It's not so fortunate. No. Bhagyavan means, he means Guru. You understand? Meeting with Guru is real fortune. Because up till now, he was Mayadas. Now he becomes Krishna. This is the fact. You understand? When he meets Guru, Brahmanda Bhamite kun Bhagyavan Jiva. Guru Krishna Kripa Deva. You understand? With Krishna Kripa, with the mercy of Krishna, he meets Guru. You understand? That is mercy of Krishna. That is the arrangement of Krishna. If Bhagyavan Jiva fortunate soul meets Guru. You understand? That is Krishna's mercy. That is Krishna's arrangement. You understand? Then, by the mercy of Guru, he gets Krishna. You understand? You follow? He gets Bhakti Lata Bija. The seed of Bhakti Kripa. Bhaktistu bhagavata bhakta sangena parijayate. How can one develop bhakti? How can one develop bhakti? Bhaktistu bhakta sangena parijayate. When you do bhakta sangha, association of devotee, pure devotee, you understand, who has gotten Krishna Prem Bhakti. Krishna je tomar, Krishna dite par, tomar sokoti ache. Ami je kangal, কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ভাই তোর কাছে। বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর নর্তন দাস ঠাকুর সেম লাইক দিস। ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, কৃষ্ণ যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো, তোমার শপথই আছে। আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ভাই তোর কাছে কাছে। ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, কৃষ্ণ belongs to you, isn't it? Krishna belongs to you because you have found a Krishna in your heart. তোমার হৃদয় সভা গোবিন্দ বিশ্রাম, গোবিন্দ কহে না বড় বৈষ্ণব পুরাণ, isn't it? Open that. ও বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর, that Govinda has taken rest in your heart, isn't it? You have found that Krishna. ভক্ত আমার প্রেমী বান্ধিয়াছে হৃদয়ের ভিতরে, যাহা নেত্র পড়ে তাহা দেখো আমার। চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত. Do you understand? Kaviraj Goswami has quoted Krishna's words. ভক্ত আমার প্রেমী বান্ধিয়াছে হৃদয়ের ভিতরে, যাহা নেত্র পড়ে তাহা দেখো আমার। That ভক্ত, প্রেমী ভক্ত, do you understand my words? Has bound a Krishna in his heart with the rope of love. Yes. Jahan netra pade, tahan dekho yaar. Wherever he looks, he sees me. Only Krishna. This Krishna love. A Krishna is the object of love. So always thinks of Krishna. Oh, he sees Krishna everywhere. You understand? No other thought is there in the mind. His mind is fixed. You understand? Otherwise, stupid mind cannot be fixed. You understand? So only Sat Vaishnava can give Krishna, because they are daughter of Krishna. But Krishna যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো, তোমার শক্তি আছে। আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি, হ্যাঁ, you have capacity. Because you have gotten Krishna. Krishna belongs to you. You understand? And you can give me Krishna. I am kangal, I am pauper, being bereft of Krishna. You understand? Penniless person. You understand? A pauper, poor man, penniless person, runs behind a wealthy person. Baba ek penny dao, Baba ek paisa dao, Baba ek paisa dao. Isn't it? Follow my language? Runs behind a wealthy person. Give me a penny, give me a penny, give me a paisa, give me a paisa. And pauper. Similarly, I am really proper because I am bereft of Krishna, and you have gotten Krishna. You can give me Krishna, so I am running behind you. Krishna da, Krishna da, Krishna da. Give me Krishna, give me Krishna. Krishna যে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পার, তোমার শক্তি আছে। আমি যে কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি, ধায় তোমার কাছে। He can be one of gotten Krishna, can give you Krishna. Otherwise, how can you give Krishna? You are not gotten. You understand? And who has got it? What devil has been got? Do you follow? Devil is spending. Sadam topi badhosmi bhaktena snarajjuvi. Hari bhakti sudhodaya. Krishna says, Sadam topi badhosmi bhaktena snarajjuvi. Though I am supremely free. Do you understand me? But still I am bound up. I am bound up with the rope of love of my devotee. Yes, Krishna wants that. Bind him up. Bind me. Sri Ram, bind me. Yes, Krishna wants. Isn't it? Siddho bhave bhrojeshwari karaivam dhanam. Siddho bhave bhrojeshwari karaivam dhanam. শুদ্ধভাবে সখা করে স্কন্ধে আরোহণ, শুদ্ধভাবে সখা করে স্কন্ধে আরোহণ। You understand? It's pure love. It's Shuddha love, pure love, loving mood. Brajeshwari mother Jashoda binds him. Who can bind Krishna? Mother Jashoda binds Krishna. Because of pure loving mood, Vatsalya-priti. Pure Vatsalya-priti. What do you say in English, Vatsalya-priti? Parental love. You understand? And Mother Jasoda dies. After all, who can find Krishna? And Krishna wants you find me, you say, Ram. You find. Krishna wants that. He gets pleasure in that bondage. He is supremely free, ever free. He wants to be bound. He wants to be put in bondage. That's the bondage of love. Yes, and he gets pleasure out of it. Yes, isn't it? That is what. Sadantoki vadosmi bhaktena snarajjavi. Though I am supremely free, still I am bound up with the rope of love of my bhakta. That one who develops this love of Godhead Krishna, his mind is fixed. It's no more fickle. There is no more fickleness in his mind. Mind is fixed. All is day and night, 24 hours. Because they break the law. You might think otherwise, that's it. Not such Guru. What's better than such? Develop such love of Krishna. Bound up Krishna in his heart. You understand? And he can give us Krishna. Otherwise nobody can give. By his mercy, by his mercy, one gets Krishna. Guru Kripate, Krishna mile. Krishna Kripate, Guru mile. Guru Kripate, Krishna mile. This is Krishna Kripate, Guru Kripate. By the mercy of Krishna, you can get Guru, bona fide Guru, who can give you Krishna. Then by the mercy of Guru, you can get Krishna. That's it. Guru Krishna Kripate by Bhakti Lata Bija. You understand? That is Guru Krishna Kripa. Guru Kripa Krishna Kripa. Mari hoya kore sahi bija arapana, savana kirtan vale kore. When the seed is available and seed is sown. Isn't it? Seed is sown in the field. What is the field? That is heart. Because heart is the field. And field needs proper cultivation. Before sowing seed, proper cultivation should be there. Isn't it? Without proper cultivation, if you sow the seed, it will never fructify because that is barren land, rocky land, very hard rock, barren, not fertile. No cultivation is there. So, Balaram's plow needed. Balaram's plow. Balaram has plowed, Krishna has ploughed. You understand? Balaram has plow in his hand, Krishna has ploughed. Krishna Balaram, plow and plough. This is the significance. You understand? First Balaram's plow should be utilized. Yes. And Guru is the manifestation of Nityananda Ram. It's cultivation. Very deep puro. Yes. Take out all weeds, all nonsense there, anarthas there. Is anarthas. You understand? Asat Krishna, Vedrupulya, Visamaya Aparat, Tattva, these are anarthas. These are like weeds, nonsense. You understand in the heart. Gireche nana anarthare bhai. Oh my brother, stupid mind, you are surrounded with many anarthas, isn't it? Many anarthas. This is instead to the stupid mind. Yes, how can it? Always the anarthas are rooted out, removed completely. The mind cannot be fixed as lot of things. Do you understand? Stupid mind. Yes, first has to be rooted. Anartha nibruti, adu saddha, padasadu sangha, apavadana kriya, padanartha nibruti. Then comes nishtha. You understand? Rupa Goswami says in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, first is Shraddha. Shraddha means strong faith, unflinching faith. In what? In Sadhu, Shastra, Guru Vakya. Do you understand? In Sadhu, Shastra, Guru Vakya. What Sadhu says, Sadhu Guru says, Shastra says, Krishna says. In Shastra, Krishna says, Krishna's works in Krishna. Unflinching faith. How can one develop such faith? By sadhu sangha. Sadhu sangha koro he. Sadhu sangha koro he. Do you understand? Bhavana mano tumi oti dusto. Bhavana mano tumi oti dusto. Oh, bhavana mano তুমি অতি দুষ্ট ভাবনা
তুমি অতি দুষ্ট
mind দুষ্ট you are stupid mind wicked mind rascal mind ঘিরেছে নানা অরিষ্ট ঘিরেছে নানা অরিষ্ট you are surrounded with many types of unorthos অরিষ্ট. Do you understand? Yes. Therefore, first that should be rooted out. You understand? Then what is needed? Sadhu sangha koro koro he. ঘুচিবে অনিষ্ট ভেবে দেখো ভাই. Oh my brother's mind, you think of seriously. I should have sadhu sangha first. Do you understand? Sadhu Guru, manifest of Nityananda Ram, was plow in his hand. Yes, he multiplies plow, cultivated deep furrow. Then all unearths, these unearths like weeds, will be removed. Then, properly cultivated land, this rocky land, barren land, properly cultivated, then it is suitable for sowing the seed. Bhakti lata bijamatra. Then the creeper of bhakti, seed of bhakti creeper. You understand? Seed of bhakti creeper will be sown. Then that is sadhu business, guru business. নারী হইয়া করে সেই বীজ আরোপণ শ্রবণ কীর্তন ধরে করে না seed is sown. Then that should be taken care of. The gardener will take care of it. What is that? Then seed germinates. Nitya Savan Kirtanala. You understand? Watering. Regular watering should be there. Otherwise it will be dried up. If you don't do regular watering, what is that regular watering? Savan Kirtan. You understand? Savan Kirtan. Hearing and chanting. Hearing Krishna Katha. Hearing the chanting of the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare. Guru utters this, Guru chants this, Guru does kirtan first. And you first hear, Sisya first will hear. Transcendental sound vibration, sutra his ear, sutra sparsa. Sutra means ear, it talks. Do you understand? Then it goes to the heart, then it cleanses the heart. Do you understand me? Purifies the heart. Chetavarpana marjanam, that is what said. Chetavarpana marjanam, the mirror, mind. When he stops, when he hears, then he chant. Isn't it? First my Guru Maharaj came to the west with Sarah for thoughts. He chanted, Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, 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 Hare. They continued chanting loudly. The hippies, they're rolling there naked, taking LSD, marijuana. Young girls, boys, naked, rolling, isn't it? Hippies, they chant, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare. They wake up. Sound vibration is wake up. Do you understand? Yes. Then came to that sannyasi Maharaj, Bhaktivedanta Swami. He was chanting. They hear. First hear. Swallowing. Do you understand? Then Guru Maharaj said, Vipassa, chant, chant, chant. You chant, chant, chant. Then chant. Yeah. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Hare. This is cultivation. Balaram uses his plow now. Plow, cutting very deep furrows. They say, then seed is sown. Now suitable. You understand? Then Saran Kirtan is correct. Regular Saran Kirtan. hearing and chanting. That is watering process. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhya Kamunoy Savanadi Siddhachiti Korayuva. Last Sadhya Vastu, that you say, end. Means sadhana, sadhya. Means and end. Isn't it? Sadhya you say means, sadhana you say means, and sadhya end. Do you understand? Sadhya is Krishna Prema. Last attainment, achievement is Krishna Prema. Do you understand? It is not very easy affair. Very difficult. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhya Kabuna. Do you understand? It is the last prayodhana, last attainment, last achievement is Krishna Prema. It is not easy. One can get it. How can one get it? Savanadi Siddhachiti Korayuva. You understand? If you constantly water the Savan Kirtan jal, you understand? Then your heart will be purified. This heart will be purified. Suddhachit, purified heart, wakes up prema. Then that is wake up prema. So Savan Kirtan, Savana, hearing is most important. Hearing is most important. You cannot have it with your own effort. You understand? With Sravana will be hearing from the lips, pure lips of a Vaishnava, Sadhu Guru, who has developed Krishna Prema, who has gotten Krishna, who has bound up Krishna in his heart. If you daily hear, come and hear, surrendering unto him, with, have to say, this bent of mind, humility, humbleness, surrendering unto him, putting complete faith in his words, it will hear. You understand? That is what. You develop what? Saddha. Sastriya Saddha. You understand? It's Sastriya Saddha. Saddha is Sadhu Guru Vakya, Shastra Vakya. You understand? Then comes Sadhu Saddha, Tata Sadhu Sangha. What does that mean? Tata Sadhu Sangha. What does that mean? What does it mean? Sadhu Sangha. Like associating with Sadhu, you develop Sadhu. Then next Sadhu Sangha says, that means Sadha Labi Jiva Kare Sadguru Vichar. That is to acceptance of Guru. Sadguru Vichar. Sadha Labi Jiva Kare Sadguru Vichar. When you get Sadha, develop hey, by associating with Sadhu and hearing from him, then you consider of accepting Sri Hospital Guru. Yes, I have to accept. Because without acceptance of Guru, unless I accept, unless I am initiated by Sadhu Guru, I cannot do bhajan. You understand? Tata Sadhu Sangha, then comes bhajan kriya. You follow me? Adu Shraddha, Tata Sadhu Sangha, अथवा भजन क्रिया. You follow me? Bhajan kriya. You don't know. Bhajaniya vastu is Krishna. Hari, Kirtaniya Sada, Hari. Isn't it? Bhajaniya vastu is Krishna. Isn't it? Bhajaniya means Sattva. Bhajan, English is Bhaj Dhatu. The word, verbal root is Bhaj. Bhaj means service, serve. You understand? Service. You follow? Bhajan means Seva. Bhajan means Seva. He is Bhajaniya vastu. Krishna is Sevya and you are Sevaka. You have this eternal loving relationship. Sevya Sevaka Samanda. You understand my language? Sevya Sevaka Samanda. Master and servant relationship. Eternal loving relationship. You don't know how to serve Krishna, how to do Krishna bhajan. Do that? Guru will teach you. Guru will teach you. Do you understand? One who teaches the art of bhajan is Sikhyagu. He is Sikhyagu. You understand? Then, first you have to hear it. Then you develop Shraddha. Then you understand what is needed for me. Needed for me, takes the of Sadhu Guru. That is that the Sadhu Sangha. means to take shelter of Sadguru. Without that, I cannot do bhajan. I cannot serve Krishna. Who is this bhajaniya vastu? Who is sevya vastu? Because you don't know, he will teach you. Adho Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, that Sadhu Sangha means acceptance. Guru Pada Sayo Diksha. In Sanatana Sikha, in Chaitanya Dhanapa, Mahaprabhu has said, in teaching Sanatana Sanskrit, Guru Pada Sayo Diksha. Guru Pada Sayo Diksha. Take shelter of Guru, then be initiated. Diksha, initiation, surrender unto Krishna. Diksha, kale bhakta kore atma samarpana. See kale Krishna kare kore atma samarpana. When he surrenders unto Krishna, I will say, Guru, you understand? Atma samarpana means complete surrender. Complete surrender, not partial. At the time of initiation, the devotee completely surrenders unto the lotus feet. Guru is bona fide representative of Krishna. Thereby, he will teach you how to surrender unto Krishna. Without surrendering unto Guru, you cannot surrender unto Krishna. In other words, we say, it may be said, without Guru Dasya, there is no question of Krishna Dasya. You follow my language? Without Guru, being Guru Dasya, unless you become Das of Guru, you cannot become Das of Krishna. No question at all. Builder soul. Ahankara Bimgatma. He will become builder soul. Ahankara. False ego is very great. Here, Prabhupada said, when the false ego is completely crushed, yes. As soon as the false ego is removed, then one can understand his real identity. Oh, I am Krishna Das. Otherwise, you are thinking of I am this and that. False ego is very great. I am so great. I am such and such. You understand? How can you become a Krishna Das? You understand? Nija tattva. Sadhu sange nija tattva avagata hona. Nija tattva janiya samsara aata hai. Kedva khojilu maya kore hai. When he does sadhu sangha, he has this tattva. Tattva bham is one of the anarthas. 4 anarthas are there. Asat Krishna, Hruday Dharmalya, Visamaya Aparat, Tattva bham. You understand? These are 4 aparatas. That is 4 anarthas. Asat Krishna, that means you have desire. What is that? Material, desire for material enjoyment, desire for mukti. Mukti kamana. That is also Krishna. You have no desire of serving lotus bhavatar bhakti or hetu kichai. You have not developed that desire. You have developed this desire, mukti, isn't it? Material enjoyment and mukti. These are also Krishna. This is number 1 anartha. Then Hruday Dharmalya. You understand? Weakness of the heart. What is that? Hapatya, putinati, purahisa. You understand? Enviousness, duplicity, fault-finding nature. You understand? Putinati. Kapatya. These are weakness of the heart. The second type of anartha. Heart, visamaya aparat. You understand? Committing all his offenses. Nama-aparat, Vaishnava-aparat, Shiva-aparat, Kama-aparat, all these apparatus. Heart of faith and anartha. Tattva. You understand? You don't know who are you. What is your real identity? Who am I? Oh, I am Vishnu Das. You understand? Shiva-tattva bhama, Isa-tattva bhama, Shakti-tattva bhama. You understand? All these tattva brahmas are there, misconceptions. Who are you? What is your tattva, jiva tattva? What is Isha tattva? What is Shakti tattva, Maya tattva, Bhakti tattva, Guru tattva? All the tattva brahmas you have. This fourth type of aparat. These are which? Nonsense. What is it? Unwanted things. You say, unwanted things. Anarthas. Do you follow? Adhu Shraddha, Tato Sadhu Sangha, Tato Bhajana Kriya, Tato Bhakta Nivriti. Then anartha nivriti. Do you understand? You first associate yourself. Hear this discourses based on Tattva Vichar. Then you understand who am I? I am Krishna Das. Nija Tattva Dhani. Sadhu Sange Nija Tattva Avagata Hono. Then you understand who am I? I am Krishna Das. But until now I have become Maya Das. I have not become Krishna Das. How can I become? Then Guru Padasya. Guru Padasya Dikhya. Sadhu Margan Gamana. Sadharma Pucha. That begins there. Then Sadhalavi Jiva Kare Sadguru Vichar. Then he considers with Sadguru. Because he hears Guru Tattva. Oh, who can give me Krishna? Who has gotten Krishna? The devotee who has developed Krishna Prema, who has bound up Krishna in his heart, who has come here to give Krishna. Krishna to Tomar, Krishna Dite Par, Tomar Sakoti Achi. Ami ji Kangal, Krishna, Krishna Boli, that's not the last tradition. Yes. Who has come here to give Krishna. He is the giver of Krishna. He is not only, what he say, giving mantra and taking pranami, giving money. Okay, chalo. He is not that. He has come here to give you Krishna. That is Guru. You understand? Krishna, I want Krishna. Because unless you get Krishna, Krishna is completely full. Purna Brahma. Is it Purna Brahma? Purna Brahma means completely full. Getting from, you will never feel any deficit because it's Purna. Yes, sir. That is Purna. Getting home, one will never feel any deficit. That is Purna, that is Krishna. Yes, sir. Yes. Otherwise, that is it. You may get just Prithiban, whatever all the assets available, wealth available, whole world, if you get, still you feel deficit. Yes. Still you feel deficit. Yes. Because you have not gotten the Purna Brahma. It's completely full. That's Krishna. Krishna is known as Purna Brahma. That is the goal of our life. That is the perfection of our human heart. To get Krishna. Then it will know deficit. When you get Krishna, you can stay anywhere without grudging. You understand? Without any conflict. Because you have gotten Purna Brahma. Completely full. Krishna is everything. You can stay in a very, palatial building, great palatial building. All modern amenities are there. You can stay under a tree also. Yes, no conflict. Sit down. No, I can't stay here. So severe cold. I will die, isn't it? What's got me Krishna? He can stay anywhere without conflict. Because he can stay in big palatial building, he can stay under a tree. He goes to Amish, best state, under trees, in jungle of Vrindavan, एक एक वृक्ष तोड़े, एक एक पूरा त्रिशय में, taking rest under one tree, one night, next tree for the next night, like this. You understand? Nothing, there's nothing, akinchana, only, kanthi kopi, you understand? Bodhibasa, outer garment, and commander, waterfall, best, nothing else. But they are gotten Purna Brahma Krishna. You understand? Madan Gopal came to Sanatana Goswami. Baba, tamar kache rahiyo. Baba, Madan Gopal came to Sanatana Goswami. Baba, I will stay with you. Sanatana Goswami, no, how can you cannot stay with me? Oh, your son of Nanda Maharaj, your father, king, your mother, Jashoda Mata. Prepares nice food for you. Sarva chesya, leya, piya, four kinds of food, so nice, tasty. Man, so nice arrangements. Why you what did you get here? I am staying under a tree, nothing and proper. Suskarata, what did you eat here, Baba? What did you eat? Your mother, Jashoda Mata, feeding you so nicely, giving so nice food. Mako, misri, so nice dishes. What do you eat? What do you eat? I eat suskarata, roti, chana, chiba. Some dry pieces of bread and some chana and drink varna water. I eat that. Krishna said, because it's the love. It's love. There is no pure love. And Krishna becomes bound up with pure love. It comes here. Sri Krishna Darsini. Yes, not your son. No. He says, Vipava says, Sri Krishna Darsini. Krishna is attracted. Sri Krishna Darsini. This is red bhakti. Krishna is attracted. Do you understand? He is all attracted. He is attracted. You understand? Sri Krishna Darsini. Attracts Krishna. Apparently, the leader very, what do you say? Dino Jiva. What do you say in English? Poor, poverty-stricken life. The leader, poverty-stricken life, isn't it? No cottage even. Staying on the tree. Only one water pot. Shida tattered, pradha, kopi. Nothing else. But Krishna is attracted. They have got a Krishna. Very glad, without any government. Even no deficit. Just take. Because they have got a Krishna. Purna Brahma. You understand? This is Krishna Brahma. Their mind is completely fixed. Their mind is completely fixed and not respected. Krishna in their mind. No other thought is there. You understand? That is prema. Otherwise, without Guru Das, how can you become Krishna Das? No question at all. Guru Padastra, Diksha, Sadharma Putsa, Sadhu Margan Bhakti. Adu Guru Padastra, first you take shelter of Guru. Re-initiated, initiation, you understand? And here, Sarana. You understand? Sarana here. He'll teach you how to surrender. He'll teach you how to serve Krishna. How can you serve Krishna without Guru Das? So, Guru Padastra, that is Ditya Sadhu Sangha. Means Guru Padastra, Diksha, Adu Sradha, Sadhu Sangha, then Bhagavan Kriya, Guru will teach you how to do bhajan. You understand? Offenseless bhajan, pure bhajan. You understand? Then it's anartha, then anartha nivriti. Bhajan Kriya, tato anartha nivriti. All these anarthas, Guru take out. I say, tata is anarthas. Tadanartha nivriti. Adu Sradha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajan Kriya, anartha, then comes Nishtha. Nishtha hoiti puja premera paranga. Nishtha means what? What do you mean by Nishtha? Steady mind. My mind is steady. No oscillation. No oscillation. When all anarthas are completely rooted out by bhajan kriya under the guidance of a sadhu guru, premi guru. By hearing from him, being disciplined by it, his plow, Balaram's plow, is very deeply full, cultivated. Pure heart, now heart is purified. Consciousness is purified. This is stated here. Intelligence becomes purified. As soon as one is freed from the process of false ego, then you understand, oh, I am Krishna. নিজ তত্ত্ব জানিয়া সংসার না চায় কেন বা ভজিলু মায়া করে হয় আর সাধু সঙ্গে নিজ তত্ত্ব অবগত হন নিজ তত্ত্ব জানিয়া সংসার না চায় কেন বা ভজিলু মায়া করে then he says, oh, I am Krishna Das. Not become Krishna Das. How can I become Krishna Das unless I become Guru Das? So Bhagavi Jiva Kare Sadguru Vichar. Then he says, oh, I must take shelter of the Sadhu Guru. Otherwise, I cannot become Krishna Das. You follow Sri Ram? Yes. There. Don't build castle in the air. This is the process. Mahajana Jena Gata Sapanta. Sadhu Shastra. Guru process. Sadhu Shastra, Guru process. This is process. You understand? Yes. They have already shown us the path. Just we have to follow their footprints, not trying to manufacture anything new. It's already there. You have just to follow. Mahadana Dena Vatasapanta to follow. Then Bhagavana clear. Padasa. Then Bhagavana clear. That is it. It is said we are singing that thing. তাতে করে সেবন করে গুরু সেবন মায়া জানে ছুটে পায় কৃষ্ণের চরণে তাতে ভজে কৃষ্ণ করে গুরু সেবন মায়া জানো ছুটে পায় কৃষ্ণের চরণ। Then he serves Guru.